Hello everyone, welcome back to Rabi Hobby. Today I'm excited to share a delicious and nutritious recipe, Sahjan Aloo ki Sarso Wali Subzi. It's drumstick and potato curry in mustard gravy. Before we jump in, let's talk a bit about Moringa or drumstick. It's packed with nutrients and is known for its health benefits, including boosting immunity, improving digestion, and being rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. It's a true superfood. Now let's gather what we need for the dish. 3 medium-sized potato, 1 pound of drumstick, 2 tomatoes, 1 garlic, 4 to 5 green chilies, half cup of mustard oil, 6 to 8 tablespoons of whole yellow mustard seeds, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, salt to taste. That's it, we have all. So let's dive right into the recipe. First, dice the potatoes into small pieces and fry them in mustard oil until they turn golden brown. Once fried, remove the potatoes and set them aside. In the same oil, add the drumsticks cut into small pieces. Let them sizzle while we prepare the mustard gravy. For the mustard paste, we have yellow mustard seeds soaked in water along with 1 garlic and few green chilies. Blend it all into a smooth paste. Once the drumsticks are done, remove them and set them aside. In the same oil, add the mustard paste you just made. Cook this paste on low to medium heat for about 5 minutes until it starts releasing its fragrance. Now add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. While the paste is cooking, let's make a quick tomato puree from the tomatoes. Once the mustard paste is cooked and begins to release oil, add the tomato puree and cook it for another 6 to 8 minutes on medium heat. Now add some hot water to the mixture and let it simmer for a few minutes, adjusting the consistency to your liking. Finally, add the fried potatoes and drumstick to the gravy. Let the curry simmer on low heat for about 8 to 10 minutes, allowing the flavor to come together and the gravy to thicken slightly. And now add salt to taste. And there you have it, your Sahjan Aloo ki Sarso Wali Subzi is ready to serve. Pair it with some roti or rice and enjoy the flavorful healthy meal. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you in the next video.